What's going on, beach bums? I'm gonna go ahead and do an updated version of my Secret Decks tour on the Carnival Radiance. I had one that I did a while back. I'm trying to remember when. Then I did one in November. The first one I did only had deck 6 and 7 because at the time I didn't realize there was a deck 10 secret deck, which is where we're starting today. Then I kind of did an updated version one in November. I figured let me just do a combined one. That one I had to put on an embarkation day video. I had a lot more information you needed, but anyway, an updated version. So to start, when you're looking for it, you're gonna look for come down towards the front. They're always gonna be in the front of the ship. So this one is by cabin 1001, and you're gonna just see this like nondescript door right here. Follow me. So then you'll just go from there. It's loud. So hopefully you'll be able to hear me. So this is the deck 10. This is my favorite. It's very large, wide open. As you can see, just a beautiful view. Hopefully the windsock is doing his job on the camera. I know we're not getting a lot of wind noise, but as you can see, this is a big, beautiful open space. Unfortunately, there's no lounge chairs. I think people have asked me in the past, is there anywhere to sit? And you'll see there's that little bench right there. That's pretty much it. You can bring your pool towels and lay out here if you wanted to. That's an option. But unfortunately, there's no lounge chairs. Let's walk over to the other side. There's another bench over here on the other side. It looks like this one has a couple of little tables next to it, so you can always probably grab one and use it over there if you wanted to. So that's kind of cool. So we came in from that side over there. There's another door right over here that you'll see. So we can come back in from here, and then again another little nondescript door going up. And then this side, if you're coming in on the even side, it's obviously 10002 and 10004 is over there. So we'll go back out this way. We'll go ahead and just shift out real quick from the camera. We'll go down to deck 7 and then deck 6. Those are the 3 secret decks. I'll see you on deck 7. We'll be right back. All right, we're now on deck 7. I started from this side because this is actually our cabin right here. We're right here by the secret deck. So this is the entry. There's one on this side, and we'll show you over on the other side. That's the odd side entrance over. This is the even side entrance to the secret deck. Come on, let's go. Oh. Push. And it might be a little windy. You have to watch your step. This comes up a bit here. There's a little bit of water. Whoa! Holy moly, it's windy. Okay, so this is the deck 7 secret deck. As you can see, this will take you down to the deck 6 secret deck. We'll go down there here in a minute. And yeah, so you can see it's not as big and spacious as the deck 10 one, but still pretty good size. You've got the a bench over here and a bench over on the other side. If you look up, the bridge is right above you. Actually, I don't think we can film up there, but anyway, so the bridge is right above us. But yeah, so you can see it's a pretty good size. And again, two benches, no loungers or anything like that. Again, if you want to lay out, maybe bring one of the towels and lay out here. But beautiful view. You can see another beautiful view ahead of us. That area down below 6 is open for us to go down to. That other area up there is for crew out front. So let's go down to deck 6. Follow me. You just take the stairs. There might be one on the other side too, but let's go down this side here. All right, so as you can see, this area is clearly marked crew only, so just keep that in mind. This is the furthest down that you'll be able to go, so again, clearly marked. So you got this space over here, and then it kind of loops around just like the other side. Hi. And they got 2 benches over here, and some crew working on the benches. But yeah, you got your 2 benches again. No loungers, no other types of seating other than benches, and then you could, if you wanted to. So again, another beautiful view. Very quiet. Here we are. It's Saturday at around 2:30 in the afternoon. As you saw from deck 10, deck 7, deck 6, nobody out here. So it's a great place if you're just trying to get away. So you can see you hear nothing but the beautiful wind and you probably can't because the windsock, hopefully, but no music, no loud screaming and stuff. So some people just, if you need a break, want somewhere to come and sit and read a book, that kind of thing. People always ask, is there a nice little, the Serenity deck of course is also a really nice area, but for the purposes of just being around nobody. As you can see, this is a really nice area. So anyway, enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, these are the type of videos I provide, all informational videos. Go ahead and subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, that's okay. Thanks for watching this one. We'll see you on the next one. We'll talk to you soon, Beach Bums.